The topic is stomata, the site of exchange of gases. Now, stomata are the minute pores that are present in the epidermis of leaves, that is the outer covering. They act as passage for carbon dioxide from atmosphere into the leaf and oxygen from leaf into the atmosphere. So carbon dioxide is the raw material which is required for photosynthesis. So stomata helps the carbon dioxide to enter into the leaf, and oxygen is formed as the byproduct of photosynthesis. So from leaf it is released to atmosphere by stomata. Now each stoma is guarded by two kidney-shaped guard cells and opens into a small air cavity inside the leaf. So we can see in this figure which shows the stomata pore, stomatal pore, from where the exchange of gases will take place. Now this is guarded by two kidney-shaped guard cells which are present. Now, during the daytime, when photosynthesis will take place, stomata will remain open to let carbon dioxide from atmosphere to enter the leaf, because carbon dioxide is required for photosynthesis. And at night, when there is no light, so photosynthesis will not take place, and no photosynthesis is taking place, stomata get closed to avoid loss of water by transpiration. So at night, when there is no light present, photosynthesis will not take place and stomata will get closed, because it also needs to avoid the loss of water that is present, because there is a other process which is known as transpiration that occurs through the leaves and loss of water takes place. So at night, stomata will get closed to avoid this loss of water by transpiration. Now let us read about the opening and closing of stomata. It is carried out by the guard cells that are present around the stomata. In sunlight, water from surrounding cells enters the guard cells. The guard cells become turgid or swell up due to the accumulation of water. Their outer thin walls bulge out and inner thick walls are drawn apart. The stomatal opening between the two guard cells widens the stoma open. So we can see in this figure which shows the open and closed stomata, and the arrows will show the direction of water movement. So water from the surrounding cells, they will come into these guard cells which are present. So water will come inside the cell, due to which they will swell up or they will become turgid guard cells, and this will cause the stomatal pore or stomatal opening to open up. Now, at the time of closing of stomatal opening, water comes out of the guard cells and they become flaccid or they get shrunk. Their inner thick walls become straight and stomata will get closed. Now we can see in this figure which shows the closed stomata. So we can see that water is coming out of the guard cells, due to which they will shrink or they will become flaccid. So here flaccid guard cells are shown, and due to this the inner walls will become straight and the stomata will get closed. I hope you understood this topic well. Thank you.